Hi guys, me and my brother was actually building this smoke machine to test on the 335 where it actually leaks. So it's basically a 5-liter can. As you can see, we welded two things up here, and then this piping goes in here. Then I have this pump over on this side, and we actually did find a leak, but I just want you to see. Okay, that air, no, it was from there. But if you just look at the pipe, as you can see there, how it goes through, and you do see the smoke, but the smoke comes from that. I didn't seal that properly, but there goes the smoke in. Okay, so okay, I'm not worried about that one leaking there. I know I did that, but I did find a leak over there. So okay, sorted that out, put sealer in between, put the whole thing back. The other part, as you can see, no air comes out, which is good. I had that pipe at the bottom on this side, also leaking, but so far actually no leaks besides that one over there. Okay, so let's just have a look still. Nowhere else. Doesn't look like any air coming up. Then here at the bottom, okay, here at the bottom, this one popped out, and then you have this one on the side. So basically this one, the rubber is on, seal is on that side, and the seal is on that side, and then it actually goes in easy, which I don't get yet, but I still have to drive the car. So okay, this one was the problem, sorted, and now the top one. But it does work. It really does work. So again, welded one there, sealed it up with some sealer. The wire goes in here. Inside is a rag, and what's that other thing, his name? Soldering iron on a piece of rag with olive oil. Not actually olive oil, baby oil. Yeah, with baby oil. Seems to get confused about things we build, eh? In it is, yeah, and it actually works like a bomb. Okay, if you just look at that, look how it goes through. You just pump, and as you can see, it comes out here also a little. That's nothing. Then you check the car. Okay, it still comes out here. Okay, that's the plastic, but further than that, it seems to be fine. Yeah, now that's good. That's good. I hope this helps you a lot. Thanks. Please subscribe. Okay, just gonna check the car quickly. See how it runs quickly. I'm gonna see what it does quickly.
Hi guys, so what we're gonna do is we did the pipes and everything, and now we're just gonna drive around a little just to get the car warm a bit, to do the test on the car, and then we will work it from there. Okay guys, we got our warmth now, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna test it now quickly to see if that limp is gonna go on.